Simple money saving tips for everyday life. Have you ever noticed that no matter how much money you earn every month, it somehow disappears so quickly that by the end of the month you are left wondering where it all went? And the truth is that the problem is not how much you earn but how you manage your spending habits in daily life. Today I'm going to share some very simple money saving tips that you can easily apply in your everyday routine without making any big sacrifices or changing your lifestyle completely. But still you will start noticing a real difference in your savings. The first and most powerful habit is to track every single expense you make for at least a week, because once you clearly see where your money is going, whether it is food, shopping, entertainment, or unnecessary small purchases, you automatically become more aware and careful with your spending. The second tip is to follow the 24-hour rule before buying anything that is not necessary, meaning whenever you feel like buying something impulsively, just wait for one full day, and in most cases you will realize that you actually don't need that item at all. Another important habit is to control your daily small expenses because things like coffee, snacks, food delivery, or random online purchases may look small individually, but when combined over a month they become a huge amount of wasted money. If you save even just $10 every day, then in a month you are already saving around $300, and in a year that becomes thousands of dollars without any extra income. You should also try to cook at home more often instead of ordering food outside, because home-cooked meals are not only healthier but also significantly cheaper and can easily reduce your monthly food expenses by half. Don't forget to check your subscriptions because many people are paying for apps, streaming services, or memberships that they don't even use anymore, and canceling them is like getting free money back instantly. Finally, always try to set a monthly budget where you decide in advance how much you will spend, save, and invest, because when every dollar has a purpose, you naturally gain better control over your financial life. At the end of the day, saving money is not about restricting your life. It is about becoming more aware and making smarter choices that slowly build a secure financial future for you.